Fuck. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog, that is, on this beautiful Thursday. It's gorgeous out. It's gorgeous. Today is going to be 80 degrees. I cannot believe how beautiful it is in the city today. It's legit gorgeous. It's lovely, as lovely gets. And this Tesla is confused. Come on, bro. We can make this light. Come on, bro. You're really not gonna go? Fucking hey. Good Lord. What the hell was that all about? Alright, let's calm down. We're entirely too excited. I was confused. That guy's looking for parking, but I thought he was just being a momo. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. Things happen fast in this town. And today is a gas tank question vlog. If I can, you know, get to it. Wonder if that's a cop. I don't think that's a cop, but it could be. Anyway, so today's gas tank question is from FTBY59 Mike D. Crazy name. Long, tricky name, I tell you. And the question is, what is the cost of ownership of one of these sweet beasts in New York City? What is the insurance, storage, gas, parking, all that shit, you know? All the things. And we're gonna discuss it. We're gonna discuss it right now. I've mentioned this before, but I feel like it's important to revisit every few years because obviously the prices change. And let's get into it. So first of all, parking, you know, that's the big thing in the big city, because parking on the street, while entirely possible, is completely nerve-wracking. You know, you're gonna be stressed the fuck out. I'm not a big fan of street parking. That's why I have a parking garage that I park at. Luckily, it's like right by my building, so I'm actually very lucky to have that opportunity. And for that, I pay $100 a month, which is, you know, it's actually very symbolic, because a lot of people pay $200, $300 plus for the opportunity of being able to park their bike safely, because $100 a month is like literally nothing. It's literally me getting lucky. So that's that. Parking is a big thing. As far as like registration goes, I mean, that's like $42 or something for the year. That's nothing as well. Insurance, my bike is older, you know, it's a 2006 and it's not worth much. So my insurance is cheap, I think. Even with all the tickets I've had, you know, I'm paying only about $600 a year, maybe $700, $650, which might be a lot for you know, somebody not living in New York City, but over here it's pretty cheap. Oh my goodness. Inspection is also cheap. Inspection is literally $8 and or free. Whichever comes first. All right, let's split a little bit. Yeah, inspection is not a big enchilada in this town, and if you know some people, you can get it for like seriously cheap, or not even cheap. I mean, $8 I think is a standard price, so it's not like you're getting a deal or anything. Maintenance is a whole another animal, you know. Obviously, maintenance is not something you can really you can bring up, because maintenance is bike specific. For me, it's as much or as little as you want. Once in a while, obviously, the bike doesn't want to continue going without a specific part, and that's when you're required to do it. All right, let's split a little more. Look. Thank you, thank you. All right, ladies and gents, we're back. We're gonna go local, I believe. I think local is the way to go. I think these folks are going over to that side. Fantastic. So, where were we? Maintenance. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I mean, because like, as far as just basic ass maintenance, I mean, yeah, like every year you have to do a Desmo service. But beyond that, it's like regular shit, you know? Sprocket, chain, tires, whatever, oil changes. It's all easy. Oh boy, look at that. There's a Harley right there. Somebody dumped it, I'm guessing, or it broke down. Damn. Did you see that? That's a weird place to put it. Don't tell me that guy parked it there. That's hilarious. And gas, obviously the price of gas is going up. It's damn near $5 a gallon now. So gas became an expense lately. Not really. I mean, this thing is 3.5 gallons or whatnot. So at the end of the day, you're putting in, I've never put in more than $12 of gas anyway, you know, at any given point. Never more than $12. All right, are you gonna go, sir? No, that was a cop. I thought he was trying to touch my butt. I was getting braced. I was bracing myself for getting pulled over. Not today, Lucifer. Not today. So what other things have to do with ownership of a motorcycle in New York City? That's it, you know. Insurance, parking, storage, because parking on the street is free, obviously, when you just street park. Like when I'm going to work right now, I'm just gonna park wherever the heck, doesn't matter. A nice little nook, a nice little cranny, it's all good. Oh, so lovely out, so lovely. Yeah, unfortunately this weekend it's gonna rain. It's gonna be in like mid-40s again, so definitely not gonna be going upstate this fine weekend. Definitely not. Let's go. What are you doing? Is this dude really gonna take his sweet time and his little frickin' Equinox? Bro's getting paid by the hour, I can tell. Alright, take a left here by this delicious bakery. And it's a little bit more stressful in the city. You're probably paying a little extra for everything. One thing I do miss, of course, is having a garage, like proper garage where you can put your own tools in there and shit, you know. and actually just like spread out, whatnot. It's always a benefit. You think this guy's gonna let me park here again? Yo, look at it. Yo, it's good. That's my friend now. He's my parking friend. No? On the other side? All right. Right here? Here. Oh, brother. Am I gonna be fucking around here? This right here? All right. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't even know what he's saying. I'll park right here. I don't think it's a bad spot. What? What? On the other side? I can't hear him, bro. Right there? Perfect.
You don't want to go in that guy's driveway,
Yeah, I got it.
Let's avoid a problem.
You're true that. Thank you, brother.
All right.
What a beautiful day, right?
Jamaican, I'm not complaining.
I was gonna say, I want to be out there somewhere in the fucking wilderness.
What's up, Cardi?
All right.